Hey, welcome to another pitch party, our second one. I'm one of the investor judges from Taikash, and Brian is over there. You want to come down and see? Brian's from. Does everyone know Brian?
No, not everyone.
No, you can introduce yourself in a minute. Does everyone know me? No, maybe not. Some of you. Okay. So I've been here 8 years. I've been doing investing. I'm a startup guy. Created a few companies, invested in a few. My main baby is Taikash. Basically, it's competition to Gcash, PayMaya, but now we're changing focus a little bit. But I'll show you what we do. So basically, it's e-money, rewards, cryptocurrencies as an e-wallet, and then application development to develop lots of things on top of that to make use of it. So this is going to be a quick presentation. And it's in the format that I like to see when someone's presenting. I wouldn't say it was a perfect pitch, but I'm going to pitch to you guys. So, yeah, go next one. I think it's out. So, first of all, you state the problem. So, I think you probably all agree that cash is inefficient in this country, leads to corruption. It's pretty dirty when you start. You figure out where that money's been and what's happened to the hands that are handling it. It's pretty dirty. Apart from the usual problems with cash. But everyone likes it here. It's hard to move people away from cash. Next. So our solution is to build apps and services that embed the use of digital money. And that's not just money, it could be Libra in the future, it could be any kind of value. Gain points, rewards, stuff like that. And what we allow others to do is to build applications on top of our platform that will allow you to build an app in a few hours. And then embed all the usual things, the wallets and lots of other things that I'll show you in a minute. Next. So our core app is the money depositing, all the usual things you might expect from an e-wallet, including QR code payments, NFC payments, and so on. I don't want to get into that, that's quite extensive. We also do loans, peer-to-peer lending. We have quite an extensive usage of rewards, creating coupons, create your own currencies, that sort of thing. A lot of it can be based on blockchain, or it doesn't have to be. It could be closed loop. So the point of me doing this is I saw inefficiencies here when I first came to the Philippines. I wanted to see more done with online payment methods, but it was very difficult to plug into the existing infrastructures. So micropayments actually enable new business models. So if you want to charge 1 or 2 pesos or something, it's very difficult to do actually anywhere in the world, not just here. Next. So we built the core wallet, and now we're building games because this is an easy way for you to, for us to bring in customers. For example, you can go in and win some free money, free Bitcoin. Just go in there. It's paid for with advertising, but allows you to win something. So we're going to do a lot more on that. We created a game based a little bit by Pokemon, so you go to places and it rewards you wherever you go. But you can build your own games on top of our platform. Next. So, for example, you can see we've got a few applications. Some of those are live, some we're still building, and some developers are now developing applications to go on top. So as of about a week ago, if you're a developer, you can download the repo, you can start building straight away. You can download the APK to see what you've got. We've already got a shopping app up there, shopping modules, news modules. We're going to be adding a lot more. So that allows you to go in, white label it, do whatever you want, with the wallets already embedded in, everything is already done, logins, etc. It's quite easy to do, so even if you're not a developer, you can go in and use UX markup if you use the CSS and so on. But you can extend it with JavaScript, and that basically creates a cross-platform native app. So we use Fuse Tools, which is open source, it's pretty easy. And this is all detailed on our website. So we built standalone apps. You can build a standalone app and the same module inside Taikash. So how many of you know WeChat in China? All right, so do you know about the mini program system over there? They opened up like a couple of years ago, and there's over 1 million apps already. They're all available inside the app. So we can use QR codes to identify the apps and bring it up really quickly. So we're building a tutorials module, allow you to create a tutorial, identify it with a QR code, so you can just apply that anywhere. The user just scans it and up comes a tutorial directly. So it's useful in businesses linking the outside world with the app. That's just one use case. So we're following the same steps as WeChat and Alipay in China, building an app ecosystem. But we go one step further, and you can actually build the apps yourself as well. So we're building, we've got NFC app for offline money. We're building a Sari Sari store app, for example. You can do the same. Next. So all of these things, if you're pitching tonight, you've got the problem, the solution, what you've done, show me something you've actually done. Either with a video or with screenshots, or if you've got mock-ups or whatever. I've had so many pictures where they just put the text up and I can't see anything. I want to see something. If you've got a real product, then show it. And if you've got a working product, then you could put a video up for 30 seconds. So your business model, this is how we make money. MDR fees, advertising and so on. So you need a business model. You can show how I'm going to make money if I invest in you. Next. Marketing, for us, it's quite simple. For others, we ask how much is it going to cost to get the business. For me, it's very difficult. I build apps. I'm not very good at marketing. So how to get around that? I get you to build the apps and bring the customers, and we share the customer base. So I give you tools to do it, you bring the customers in, and we both make money. Bottom line is organic growth with benefits to everyone in the ecosystem. Next. So there's a team behind us of 20 developers, 20 admin, 20 developers in India, 2 in this country. It's hard to keep developers here because they go abroad and make more money. One of the things I want to do is keep people here, developing their own apps, working with us, rather than go work for another company outside the country. So next, I think that's one last thing you should always ask. I'm going to ask Brian here for this investment. Next. So I'm seeking a small financial investment, please. So. Next. There you go. Can you manage that? No? Okay.
How many percent equity?
Oh, well, negotiable. Next. Next. Tonight. I don't know. I mean, Grab they got a lot of money, right? So you never know. The point is, you need to put up what you want to raise, and again, what the deal is. You know, how much do I get for it? And it's nice if you can say how much money you're going to make, you know, in the next year or two, and when I'm going to get my money back. So $1 billion, give you 6 months. Okay, next. And then you provide some information at the end just so you can get in touch. So you can go to developer.tagcash.com, download the repos. There's a full API library in there to plug in. So that's my small pitch, but it also gives you an idea of how you should be pitching. Something really simple. You notice there's not a lot of text there. Some graphics, something to show what I've done, and the ask. So let's hope I see some pictures tonight that interest me. Yeah, I'm interested in anything obviously that makes money that can make an impact. I've invested in Society 8, which is a retail chain, and now we're building the online side of that. And that impacts thousands of micro businesses. That allows them to resell through our stores all over the country. And then Tagcash is used as the payment method to pay them every day. So that's just one company. I'm interested in companies that can impact a lot more people than I can do on my own. That's us personally. And anything where you think you can develop on top of our platform that will bring customers to it, for me that's a form of marketing, so I'll invest in that rather than paying per customer through advertising and so on. So anyway, without further ado, who's the first pitch? So I'm going to sit down there with Brian and we're going to heckle whoever's going to pitch. And, huh? Oh yeah, so Brian, come and say something.
Hi guys, my name is Ryan. I run a company called RGC. We're a digital marketing company. We also have a Roman engineering team as well. But I think we're more popular on our brand called My TV. So we manage influencers and create video content as well.
But you invest as well.
We're willing to invest in resources as long as it actually benefits to as long as it's actually in line to our business.
So it's very similar to what I'm doing, but
yeah.
I'm a little bit more broad.
Yeah.
So I might even be investing in his business. So.
$1 billion?
No, but maybe less.